Hello and welcome to Reuse and Create by Sreetapa. Today I will show you how to make this crop top. So watch this video till the end. At first I have taken the back part of the top. Here the measurements are length 15 inch, shoulder 6.75 inch, armhole 7 inch and width 10.5 inch. Now for the front part, leaving 1 inch fabric in the front, placed the back part on the fabric and tracing the same measurements. For the front armhole, mark at half inch inwards and make a curve as shown. Now mark at 4 inch and at 9 inch from here. Here we have to make a pleat. Now mark at the other points as shown. We have to make total 4 pleats in the front part. Similar marking has done on the other side also. Now I will stitch a pleat here at first. I stitched the pleat. Similarly, I will stitch the 3 other pleats also. Pleats are stitched. Now folding the outer side, I will finish the line. After folding, the shoulder measurements should be 6.75 inch. Similarly, I stitched the other part also. For neck round, mark at 3 inch and at 2 inch from here. Now make a round shape. Now join the shoulders. Now I will finish the bottom line using fabric strips. Bottom lines are finished. Now I will attach the zip. Now for making the collar, take measurements of the round. Here the round measurement is coming up to 16 inch. Now for making the collar, I took a pasting paper of measurement 7 into 4 inch. You can take bukram also. Mark as shown and make a round shape. Now mark at 1 inch outwards through the curve. Here I need a collar of 16 inch, half of which is 8 inch. Now measuring from the outer side, I will mark at 8 inch. Now paste it on the wrong side of the fabric. After pasting, cut the extra fabric, leaving half inch at the border. Now place it on another fabric, right side facing each other, and cut a similar piece. Now carefully stitch through this line. Do not stitch the pasting paper, stitch the two fabrics. After stitching, cut the extra fabrics, leaving small border. Now give small cuts, do not cut the stitch and turn it over. Then finish the outer line by stitching. After that, fold it into half and give a small cut at the middle point. Similarly, give a small cut at the neck round also. Now first joining the middle points, stitch the collar with the neck round. Then by folding the other side, stitch the collar and finish the neckline. So the collar is ready. Now give the fitting stitch on the sides. And it is ready to wear. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned.